Hey there, Rajshree here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show an easy way to achieve Arabic style makeup. Arabic style makeup can be very exotic but very intimidating. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm preparing my skin with this vitamin C serum. It is so good for skin. You should apply once in a week. And this lip balm to protect your skin from the lipstick effect because lipstick itself contains so much chemical. And then this primer, I'm using this color bar primer. It will fill my open pores of the skin and the fine lining. Using this foundation, Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is very light foundation for the skin. And this brush which I'm using is PAC. Contouring my face just to give structure to my face, because in Arabic makeup we see that eyes play very important role than to the base makeup. So I'm using this concealer, the parts where I'm needing. I'm using this Maybelline concealer. I'm liking this concealer so much. I loved it from my first use. But concealer is very personal thing, so you can apply your favorite concealer or you can avoid it too. Setting my makeup with this face powder by using Faces Ultime powder. Then I'm starting my eye makeup. Starting from eyebrows, I'm just filling my eyebrows wherever it is needing. In Arabic makeup, actually, usually we need thick eyebrows. So if you have thin eyebrows, you just apply more powder. I'm applying two colors only. First, I'm using this orange color in my inner corners and the lash lines. My second color is this purple color, which I'll use on my outer corners. This highlighter I'm using in my inner lids, as you can see, just to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And my favorite Stay Cookie eyeliner I'm using here, and I'll create wings and extending it from my inner corners of the eyes. Using this white kajal on my lower lash line. You have seen that I'm using the same Stay Cookie eyeliner, and again I'm using the white kajal just to highlight my lash line more, to give it intense look. Curling my eyelashes to prepare it for mascara. This L'Oreal Volume Base Mascara is very nice. I'm using it from like last month. And there's this Fall Lashes from Nykaa. Blush always play important part in your makeup, and when it comes to Arabic, then your makeup should look more fresh. Here I'm using the brown theme. So using a little bit of highlighter on the areas wherever it's required. Not using much because my dress is in brown side and I'm using this brown lipstick. Setting my makeup with this setting spray from Faces and using this earrings and choker, and here I have some different little ponytail, and this is my final look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this